Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Given triangle ABC, let D be on BC such that BD equals CD. From B, draw a line meeting AC at E. Label the intersection of AD and BE as F. Given that AF equals DF, EF equals 1, and BF equals X, the goal is to find X. And now for the solution. Draw DP parallel to AC with P on BE. Then angles BDP and BCE are corresponding angles. Since corresponding angles are equal, we have angle BDP equals angle BCE. Next, consider angles PDF and EAF, which are alternate interior angles. Since alternate interior angles are equal, we have angle PDF equals angle EAF. Similarly, angles FPD and FEA are alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle FPD equals angle FEA. Next, consider triangle BDP and triangle BCE. We claim that triangle BDP is similar to triangle BCE. Since angle BDP equals angle BCE, and this angle is common to both triangles, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have DP over CE equals BD over BC. But BC equals BD plus CD. Since BD equals CD, BC equals 2BD. Thus, BD over BC equals half. So, DP over CE equals half, and DP equals half CE. Next, consider triangle AFE and triangle DFP. We claim that triangle AFE is congruent to triangle DFP. Since angle EAF equals angle PDF, angle FEA equals angle FPD, and AF equals DF, the two triangles are congruent by AAS. Since AE and DP are corresponding sides in congruent triangles, we have AE equals DP. Since DP equals half CE, AE equals half CE, so CE equals 2AE. Now, returning to the original diagram, draw EQ parallel to BC with Q on AD. Since angles AEQ and ACD are corresponding angles, we have angle AEQ equals angle ACD. Similarly, angles QEF and DBF are alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle QEF equals angle DBF. Likewise, angles FQE and FDB are alternate interior angles. So, angle FQE equals angle FDB. Next, consider triangle AEQ and triangle ACD. We claim that triangle AEQ is similar to triangle ACD. Since angle AEQ equals angle ACD, and this angle is common to both triangles, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have EQ over CD equals AE over AC. But AC equals AE plus CE, and CE equals 2AE, so AC equals 3AE. Thus, AE over AC equals 1 over 3, so EQ equals 1 over 3 CD. Next, consider triangle BDF and triangle EQF. We claim that triangle BDF is similar to triangle EQF. Since angle FBD equals angle FEQ, and angle BDF equals angle EQF, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have BF over EF equals BD over EQ. Using BF equals X, EF equals 1, and EQ equals 1 over 3 CD, we obtain X over 1 equals BD over 1 over 3 CD. Since BD equals CD, BD cancels with CD. Therefore, S equals 3 is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.